Welcome back to Trend TV. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year, the Motorola Razr 2025. Motorola is back with a bang, redefining foldable smartphones yet again. Let's unpack everything we know about this iconic device, from its specs to its release date. Stay tuned. First up, let's talk design. The Motorola Razr 2025 builds on its predecessor with a sleeker hinge mechanism, making the fold smoother and more durable. It's thinner and lighter, yet packed with a premium aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 3 for added durability. Motorola has also upgraded the external display to a stunning 3.8-inch AMOLED screen. This means you can get more done, like replying to messages or controlling music, without even opening the phone. Under the hood, the Razr 2025 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or capturing memories, this phone is built to perform. And speaking of capturing memories, the Razr 2025 features a dual camera setup, a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Plus, the 32-megapixel internal selfie camera delivers sharp and vibrant shots every time. What about battery life? Motorola has listened to users and packed a 4,200 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charging. And yes, it runs Android 14 out of the box with Motorola's near-stock experience. Now let's talk about the big question: when and how much? The Motorola Razr 2025 is set to launch globally in March 2025, with pre-orders starting late February. Pricing is expected to start at around $1,199 for the base model. So, what do you think about the Motorola Razr 2025? Are you excited about its upgraded features and iconic foldable design? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.